Welcome to Think Maths. We are in Class 10 Maths, Chapter 4, Quadratic Equations. In this session, we are going to discuss about exercise 4.4 in old book and exercise 4.3 in new book. So, question numbers 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So, first question number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So here they are asking whether this value is possible or not. So we have to check with the nature of the roots. So what is given? It is about length and breadth of a rectangular mango grove. So we are going to assume the length as x. No, breadth as x. So let the breadth be x because length is twice its breadth. So we are going to assume the breadth as x. Length is twice as breadth. So twice means 2 times. 2 times breadth. Okay. So length is twice its breadth. So it is 2 times breadth. So what is area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is 800 meters square. So rectangle area formula is length into breadth equal to 800. So length is 2x and breadth is x. So 2x into x equal to 800. So 2x into x. First multiplying the constant term. So it is 2 into 1, 2. X into x is x square, which is equal to 800. So bringing the constant term to left hand side. So this plus 800 will become minus 800 when the side changes. So this is a quadratic equation. Its general form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So comparing with the general form, here a is equal to 2. There is no x term. So b is equal to 0 and constant term c is equal to minus 800. So what is b square minus 4ac? So b square is 0 square minus 4. A is 2 and c is minus 800. So which is equal to 0 square is 0. So 0. Here there are two negatives. So minus into minus it is plus. Plus 4 into 2 8. So 8 into 800. Which is equal to 8 into 8 is 8 8s are 64. So 6400. So b square minus 4ac is 6400. Okay. So it is positive. It is greater than 0. Okay. Now if b square minus 4ac is positive, according to nature of the roots are real and distinct. So we can say that the roots will be minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the roots. So now substituting we will get the roots. So minus b is 0 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac is 6400 divided by 2a. A is 2. So this 0 is no effect. So it is plus or minus. What is square root of 6400? So it is 64 is 8 into 8. So it is 80 whole square. So 80 whole square root divided by 4, which is equal to plus or minus this square and root gets cancelled. So it will be 80 divided by 4, which is equal to plus or minus 20. Because 4 ones are 4, 2 4s are 8 and this 0. So plus or minus 20. So here we are talking about length and breadth. We got x is equal to plus 20 and minus 20. So x is nothing but breadth. Breadth cannot be negative. So we are going to take the positive value. So breadth is equal to 20 meter. So length is equal to 2x. So 2 into 20, which is equal to 40 meters. So we found the length and breadth of the rectangular mango group. Okay, understood? So let me go to the next problem. Is the following situation possible? So if this sentence comes, is the following situation possible? We have to check the nature of the roots, whether we get positive or 0 or negative. According to that, we have to follow the problem. If so, determine their present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Okay. So first let us check whether this situation is possible or not. So let me assume that there are two friends, one friend be A, another friend be B. So let me assume the friend of age, friend A be X and friend B's age is Y. What is given? The sum of the ages. So that is x plus y is equal to 20. Then in order to form the quadratic equation, we need only one variable. So I will convert this y into x. So then y will be equal to 20 minus x. So this y is equal to 20 minus x. So the friend A age is x, friend B's age is 20 minus x. Yes. 4 years ago. So 4 years ago means before 4 years, what is their age? So their age will reduce by 4. So before 4 years, age of friend A will be x minus 4. So if our age is now 20, before 4 years, it will be 60. So in the same way, we are subtracting 4. Okay. So now, age of friend B. At present, the age is 20 minus x. So before 4 years, we have to subtract. So this is equal to 20 minus 4 is 16 minus x. Okay. What is given next? 4 years ago, we found their age. The product of their ages was 48. So their product is 48. Whose product? Their ages product. What is their ages? X minus 4 into 16 minus x is 48. So we have to multiply. First I am going to multiply with 16. 16 into x is 16x minus 4 into 16. So 4 into 16 is 4 6 are 24. Balance 2. 4 into 1 4. 4 plus 2 6. So next I am going to multiply by minus x. So minus x into x. So minus x square. Minus 4 into minus x. Minus into minus is plus 4 into x is 4x. This plus 48 will become minus 48 when the side changes. So first writing the x square term. Next x term 16x plus 4x, which is 20x. Now constant term, both are negative. So we should put the negative sign and add. So 64 plus 48. 4 plus 8 is 12. Balance 1. 7 plus 4 is 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So 112, which is equal to 0. So as x square has the negative value, I am going to multiply by negative sign on both sides. So if I multiply by negative sign, minus into minus will become plus x square. Plus into minus is minus, minus 20x. Minus into minus is plus. So plus 112 equal to 0. What is the general form of the quadratic equation? It is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So comparing with this, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20, c is equal to 112. So what is b square minus 4ac? So b square is minus 20 whole square minus 4a. A is 1, c is 112. So minus 20 minus square is plus. So 20 square is 400. 20 into 20 is 400 minus 4 into 1, it is 4. 4 into 112, 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 1, 4. So if we subtract 400 minus 448, we have to subtract here and check the sign. Here 400 has plus sign, 448 has negative sign. So we have to put the sign of the bigger number. Bigger number is 448. So we get the negative sign. If we subtract 448 minus 400, it is 48. So which is less than 0. So if it is negative, it will be less than 0. So according to nature of the roots, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, we say that we don't have any real roots. This means this situation is not possible. So the solution is this situation is not possible. Okay. So we no need to solve the equation. So this is the problem. Okay. I hope you can understand. So let me go to the last problem of this session. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. So there is a rectangular park whose perimeter is 80 and area is 400 meter square. So I am going to assume the length and breadth as x and y. So perimeter is given as 80. So what is the formula for perimeter? It is 2 into L plus B. Length plus breadth is equal to 80. Here we assumed the length and breadth as x and y equal to 80. So I am going to bring this 2 to right hand side. So 2 is in product, so it will become division when the side changes. So 80 divided by 2 is 40. So x plus y is equal to 40. This means y is equal to 40 minus x. Plus x will become minus x when the side changes. Okay. Now area is 400 meters square. So what is the formula for area of the rectangle? It is length into breadth equal to 400. So length is x. What about breadth? Breadth is y. Y we change to x as y is equal to 40 minus x. So breadth is 40 minus x, which is equal to 400. Now we have to frame the quadratic equation. First multiplying 40 into x is 40x. Negative sign is there. So put here negative. X into x is x square. This 400, when it comes to left hand side, it will become minus 400 equal to 0. Usually we will keep the coefficient of x square as positive. So we have to change to positive by multiplying by negative sign on both sides. Usually we should multiply on both sides so that the value doesn't change. So minus into minus is plus x square plus 40x into negative. It is minus 40x minus into minus will become plus 400 equal to 0. So comparing with the general form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 40, c is equal to 400. So what is b square minus 4ac? B square. So b is minus 40 whole square minus 4, a is 1, c is 400. So 40 square minus square is plus 40 square is 40 into 40, which is 1600 minus 4 into 1 4, 4 into 400 1600. So it is 0. So if b square minus 4ac is 0, we have roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. So since b square minus 4ac is 0, the roots will be of the form minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. So because they are equal. So what is b by 2a? Minus b. What is the value of b? It is minus 40 divided by 2a. A is 1. So minus into minus is plus. 40 divided by 2, which is equal to 20. So we get x is equal to 20 comma 20. So what is x? X is nothing but length. So length is equal to 20 meter. What about breadth? Breadth is 40 minus x. So breadth is equal to 40 minus 20, which is equal to 20 meter. Okay. I hope you can understand all the problems. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. Thank you. Thank you for watching.